This chicken donut was my first recipe video to go viral in 2022 and a recipe that is still trending on Instagram. It brought in a lot of followers and helped my page grow. Alhamdulillah. To make this, grind chicken breast and chilies in a food processor until you get a smooth paste. Then transfer to a bowl and add panko, chili flakes, parsley, garlic powder, chili powder and shredded cheese. Give it a good mix. Oil your hands and shape a lemon-sized ball into donuts. Then freeze for an hour at least before breading. I use my favorite Samyang sauce with the egg for egg wash. You can use any spicy sauce you like here. Coat the donuts with flour and then dip them in the egg mixture. Then coat it well with panko. Fry it over medium flame and it's done. I'm grateful for each one of my followers who still continue to support and encourage me to do better. I will be bringing more amazing recipes this year inshallah. So stay tuned and keep supporting.